Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box. This is the fall 2022 box. If I can get it open, there we go. This gets mailed out quarterly. Used to be $5. I think they increased it to like $7 and maybe some change, but still a pretty good value. So right on top we have a pamphlet. Shows you some of the items you could get in the box. Boxes will vary. Very cool. So the first item I have in mine, and my box is the Trendsetter box, is this hairband. Pretty cool. Next I have Splat. Natural Conditioning Semi-Permanent Hair Color. That's pretty cool. I've used several products like this before, but not this brand. So I might do that or apply it to like the blonde pieces of my hair. That might look cool. Next up, Liquid IV. This is a pineapple flavored energy drink. So they threw a sample in there. Then we have NYX Butter Gloss and Cinnamon Roll. And the last item is by Cetaphil. This is a daily facial moisturizer with SPF in it. And then there's some information at the bottom here. We have a thing for Liquid IV. Oh, and a little sample of facial toner. That's cool. Definitely try that out. But yeah, that's what I got. Like I said, it's quarterly, so 4 times a year you'll get a box. And sometimes there's lots of samples, sometimes there's just tiny ones. It just kind of varies. But I do have a playlist in case you want to see what I've gotten in the past. And if you want to join, I'll put the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.